So, ayan guys, namimili kami dito. Andito kami sa Kim's Mall. So, ito ay Korean store dito sa aming area. Tingnan nyo naman guys, ang laki. Magkano to? 130? Ano ba to? Basta di ko lang ano yan. Tingnan nyo naman yung mga ano nila. Yung grapes. 186. Tingnan nyo guys. No. Silang dami dito guys. Meron din silang mga ganyan. Tapos ito, ang laki oh. 99 pesos. Ayan, ang laki. Fuji apple. Ang laki no guys. Ayan. Tapos ito yung rambutan nila oh. Dito. 160 pesos ganito siya. 160 pesos. Yan. Ang dami guys oh. Sin. Ang laki ng mall na to guys. Puro, tas doon banda mga Korean store siya. Mga Korean yung tinda. Wow! What's that?
This is watermelon is all cut up and ready to eat.
Yeah, look at this.
Okay.
Okay. Ito naman yung pakwan. Ayan o guys. 200 pesos. Tingnan nyo, Korean talaga yung nakalagay dito. Kasi, ay Korean. Wala pala kalaw Korean. Pero, Korean store kasi to guys. May-ari kasi ng ano na to, mall na to, Koreana, ganyan. Tingnan nyo guys, 200 pesos. So lang siya. Favorite ko to guys. Pero matamis, as in matamis siya. Ito natin lagay ito. Ito yung cart namin. And, ano to? 147. Ah, nice. It's nice. Tapos may mga itlog din. What's that?
I'm looking for eggs.
For eggs, yeah.
These are Bounty cage free for 166.
10 pieces? Is that 10 pieces, right?
Yeah. And these ones here. Cage free range.
Yeah.
So they're probably running around. It's probably about 20.
This is much better. Just get this one. Do you want this? Yeah, let's get that one. So guys, ayan siya. May nakalagay siya na ganito.
So much difference.
Yan, 260 pesos, 10 pieces. Ano siya? Is this organic?
Well, the chickens are organic, but
Yeah.
when the chickens can run around free range, they're much healthier chickens. Whereas these chickens, they're all caged up. All they do is
Oh.
feed them and poop eggs. Feed and poop eggs. Whereas these have a much better spirit.
Ah, that's good.
They're spiritual eggs.
So, meron din silang ganito guys, oh, nakalagay. Ito mura-mura, 180 pesos lang. Ito yung binili namin guys. 260. Honey, do you want this instead? No? Nothing, it's only 180.
Yeah, but they're not free range.
No, it's free range, look. Oh, see? Free range. Up to you. Which one do you like? Paras din namang itlog guys. Diba? Paras,
Ronin Nature. Farm,
see, it's
free range eggs with
It's
herbs,
okay also.
non-antibiotic. That's what you want.
See?
These chickens were chased by dogs, so they ran
No,
fast.
no, it's not true.
Huh? I don't know, something like that.
So guys, kasi naman ito yung bibilhin niya. Siyempre as wife, kailangan tingin-tingin din tayo, di ba? Bilang mga misis, dapat tingin-tingin din. Hindi puro kuha-kuha. Yung mister ko, puro kuha-kuha yan eh. Hindi tumitingin masyado sa presyo eh. Ako tumitingin eh. Ito yung lansones. Longgan. Longgan pala. Longgan siya. Kala ko lansones. Pero longgan yun na yun. So guys, sana yung mister ko. Wala na yun. Nandun na. husband ko. pizza. Ito na ang bibili ng asawa ko, yung kanyang vitamins.
So I go.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's go to.
Okay.
You want some?
See guys, ito yung mga noodles, oh. Mga Koreans. Mga Korean talaga siya, oh.